Hey guys, how's it going? Feels like it's been forever. Sorry about the inactivity. Things have just been very, very busy on my end. I'm actually at the airport now. I'm about to pick up a friend and someone that I'm going to be working with this week and next week. And I'm just using this moment here in the car park. I have like 5 to 10 minutes to kill. I'm just using the opportunity to chat with you guys a little bit. It's been tremendous. It's been very, very fulfilling to see Chris's and Louis' vision kind of come to fruition. You know, there's a lot of like-minded people in the world. We're finding out, like, there are people all over the States. We've got people in Europe. We've got people here in Asia. We've got people all over the world that have very, very similar interests or are thinking along the same lines. And I feel like I'm missing out on it. I feel like I don't have the time to properly like get into the topics and watch everyone's videos. And I think yesterday I watched the video from Chris where he was kind of diving into kind of how he's approaching it. You know, it's like a house party. You just, you're hanging out with a couple of people for a little bit and then you move around. Then maybe you're going to be watching stuff from other people for a little bit. I think that's a really, really good viewpoint on it. I could really kind of see it in myself that, taking in all the content that you guys are creating, which is, by the way, awesome. Brendan, Luis, Julian, Chris, everybody. Like I Barry D, you guys are absolutely amazing. I truly enjoy watching all your content. And I've really, I think I mentioned this before, I've been really putting a lot of effort into like my comments. I want to be kind of positive and encouraging and kind of, I don't know, just say something that I would say to you if we're just in the same space, friends. Yeah. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to throw this out here just to do a little quick one. Let me actually take a picture of the setup. This is absolutely absurd. Anyway, guys, I hope after this week, maybe sometime next week, I'll have a little bit more time on my hands. Things are a little bit crazy right now. I miss you guys very, very much. I wish I had more time to content create, but we'll figure something out. Hope everyone's good and look very much forward to kind of consume the content that you guys are creating, and I'll see you in the comments. Cheers.